What is cloud computing? You might have heard people discussing the cloud, mentioning terms like cloud computing or cloud storage, but you might not be entirely clear on what it all means. Essentially, cloud computing involves storing and running data and applications on the cloud instead of your local computer or equipment. This means that rather than having your data and applications stored and processed on your own devices, they're stored and processed on remote servers accessed via the internet. In other words, the workload isn't on your computer or equipment, it's on the cloud. To simplify, think of the cloud as a vast infrastructure packed with servers. These servers act as service providers, handling tasks like application execution, data storage, and web hosting. They're interconnected and accessible online. Cloud providers like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform offer their computing power as a service. Instead of managing your own hardware and software, you can outsource it to them. What is the purpose of a cloud? Cloud providers offer their computing resources as a service. This means that instead of individuals or companies managing their own hardware and software, they can outsource these tasks to third-party cloud providers. It's akin to hiring someone to do a job for you rather than doing it yourself. For example, in the past, if you wanted to use email, you'd have to set up your own physical email server with all the necessary hardware and software. However, with cloud computing, you can have another company host your email on their servers in the cloud, like Gmail or Hotmail, saving you the hassle of managing your own server. One example of cloud computing is using platforms like YouTube. Instead of building and maintaining your own video server and software, and dealing with the high costs of internet bandwidth, you can simply upload your videos to YouTube and let the platform handle everything for you. Cloud computing offers numerous benefits, including cost efficiency, reliability, and scalability. Why would someone use cloud computing? Cost is a significant factor. By using cloud computing, individuals and companies can eliminate the expense of purchasing their own hardware and software, along with the costs of maintaining and powering their own data centers. Additionally, cloud services offer reliability and scalability, with providers handling data backup, disaster recovery, and offering flexible payment models based on usage. Who are the major cloud providers? Some of the major cloud providers include Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, Alibaba, and IBM. AWS, for instance, is the largest cloud provider, with companies like Netflix relying on its services for their computing and storage needs. By outsourcing their infrastructure to cloud providers, companies like Netflix can focus on their core business activities without worrying about downtime, security, or the high costs of building and maintaining their own data centers. Types of cloud computing. There are three main types: infrastructure as a service, IaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, and software as a service, SaaS. IaaS lets providers manage hardware while you control the software. PaaS gives providers more control over the entire stack, while SaaS hosts applications entirely in the cloud, requiring no local installations. In conclusion, cloud computing presents a transformative approach to data and application management, transferring the workload from local devices to remote servers accessible via the internet. This expansive network of servers, known as the cloud, enables companies to offer computing resources as a service, alleviating the need for individuals or businesses to oversee their own hardware and software infrastructure. Cloud computing delivers numerous advantages, including cost effectiveness, reliability, and scalability. By outsourcing computing needs to cloud providers, users can mitigate expenses associated with hardware procurement, upkeep, and energy consumption. Additionally, cloud services ensure reliability through robust data backup and disaster recovery protocols, minimizing instances of downtime. Furthermore, cloud computing offers scalability, enabling users to pay solely for the resources they require and effortlessly adjust their allocation as demands fluctuate. Leading cloud providers such as Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform dominate the market, offering a diverse array of services tailored to various needs, encompassing infrastructure as a service, IaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, and software as a service, SaaS. Overall, cloud computing represents a fundamental shift in data and application management, providing a flexible, cost-efficient solution for both individuals and businesses. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.